Namaskar. Now in Regulation 44, AI Content Verification Authority is being talked about. The appropriate authority shall constitute, so that means the AI Content Verification Authority will certainly come into existence once these regulations are implemented. Constitute a dedicated institutional authority. To be designated as AI Content Verification Authority, charged with oversight, operation, and continuous updation of verification standards, tools, and protocols applicable to GenAI generated content in code process. While it sounds simple that they are charged with the oversight, operation, and continuous updation of verification standards, tools, and protocols applicable to GenAI generated content, the speed at which GenAI is being changed right now, this keeps researchers on toes. I doubt that somebody whose primary responsibility is not to keep up with AI. So, for example, judicial officers or court officers, they will have a very hard time doing it. So it has to be a mixed kind of authority where I think people, including from academics, have to be included. Now, Regulation 45, Annual Transparency Report. So every High Court, Tribunal, or Commission referred to in these regulations shall submit an annual transparency report on AI adoption within its jurisdiction. Annual transparency report on AI adoption within its jurisdiction. Summarizing the AI systems in use, outcomes of audits, AI incidents recorded, and measures taken for compliance with and the improvement of these regulations to the apex body and cause the same to be published on its official website. Now, I believe that in today's world where AI slope is everywhere. So what this means is that AI generated content is everywhere now. You might have seen it even on so if you Google something for images, you might have seen that a lot of images are AI generated. Similarly for text, right? So a big percentage of internet is now AI generated. So we won't be surprised if all these transparency reports and everything are prepared using AI. Not because the institutions want them to make it, not because the institutions want to bypass their responsibility, but mainly because of the automation bias, something that I have said n number of times in these lectures. Because not everybody understands that AI may give wrong outputs. Okay. Right. So what should be the contents of this annual transparency report? Summarizing the AI systems in use, that outcomes of various audits, AI incidents recorded, and measures taken for compliance with the improvement of these regulations to the apex body. Okay. So I think this was it. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.